my achy breaky heart. I just don't think he'd understand.
Oh, yeah.
Happy 70th birthday, Nanay Irene! Palakpak naman dyan!
Nandun na yun ako, lakit.
Happy birthday! Dito ka, mother!
Picture na kayo, Picture na kayo.
Okay, meron din kayong... Dito kayo, tay! Tabi kayo! Meron kayong balon! Iganan niyo, tatay. Itulungan natin. Meron din kayong cake! Bakit tulungan po? Tay, itabi natin yan. Ay, tuloy ko yan. At syempre, meron din kayong fruit basket. Ayan, so, pakitulungan na lang po. Dito kay mother. Okay. Syempre, bago lahat, meron kakantahan natin ang birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Nanay Irene, bago niyo po i-blow ang inyong mga candle, dapat po muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish! Okay, happy 70th birthday, Nanay Irene! Palakpak naman dyan! Okay, bago pong lahat, meron po tayong babasahing letter, okay? Yan lang po tayo. Okay. Si ate, pwede po bang paano te? Si ate Catherine, basahan niya. Pakasitay tayo. Dito ka sa gitna tayo.
Diyan nga mabasahan.
Di tatay. Pakikip mo.
May the beauty of this day be something new with you.
Crying on the fire. No crying. Okay, basa. Shakon! Anda kaya nagbasa? Okay, Shakon! Ito po ang kanilang letter 9. May the beauty of this day be something you take with you all throughout the year, and may your spirits be bright. Knowing how many people are thinking of you and wishing you well. Happy birthday to a wonderful mother-in-law. Atoy, sa kwadagya kuyo, una na. Happy 70th birthday! Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday, Lola! RB? RB! Yan. Thank you! Ayan. So, Mami, happy 70th birthday po! Maraming salamat po sa inyo unconditional love at lagi po kayong gabayan ng ating Panginoon. Bigyan ng magandang kalusugan at maganda. Ayan, we miss you. See you next year if God will. Ayan! Message po ni Mother. Tama? Sir. Okay. Sir, message niyo po sa inyong may bahay.
I love you.
Kasi ito maglumlum.
Happy birthday, mami.
Yay! Ang kanilang anak. Ano message niyo kay Mami?
Ano ba? I love you, Mom.
Sino pa ente? Message ko ente. Message niyo.
Happy birthday, sister.
Ayan, mamaming sanditan. Mother, inyati may bagay kay ni Sir Bernie, kay ni Ate Weng and family.
Anak, Maraming salamat mga anak. At hindi niyo ako nakakalimutan. We love you all, anak. Thank you. Mga apo,
Oh, gagantay.
mga apo ko, maraming salamat. God bless you all. Thank you.
Oh! Yeah! Happy birthday! At syempre, magpapakilala na po ako, nanay at tatay. In behalf of Edmonton's Flower Shop and Parties, thank you, Sir Bernie, Ma'am Weng, at sa inyong pamilya na Aban Sisi. Salamat po. All the way from Barcelona, Spain! Ayan, salamat! Okay!
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Oh, there's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistakes, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am